right, family, I'm back again at your face. Today, we're going to be talking about all things hospitality. See, if you've not registered one more time, I want to encourage you, please. I don't know what you are waiting for. Let me look at you one more time. Are you tired of making money? Or do you like the current life that you are living? Because if you really don't like what you are currently doing and you want something different, you want to be in an ecosystem where you meet verified people who you know that if anything goes wrong, you can be able to trace them. Please, I want to encourage you. Why don't you just use the number that you are seeing on the screen, or probably our Telegram account, and just get registered for as low as 10,500. You are literally on the system. And if you're a professional, like today I'm going to be talking about hospitality. If you're a professional in the hospitality space, this is the platform for you to come, and whereby we can both make money. But let's see, what is hospitality. Hospitality is number 3. So I'm going to click hospitality. Like I said, please always read what this topic is talking about. Don't just ignore it. Read it so that you can understand the hospitality and what we're trying to offer. So now let's see the drop-down menu. You can see the drop-down menu on hospitality. It tells you book hotel. So which means if I click on book hotel, it will tell me, okay, all bookings are verified. Enter your preferred destination. So now this is me trying to book hotel. So that is what you get in booking hotels. The next menu also, you will see, it tells you book restaurant or probably dining. And let's say you want to take that very particular lady out for something and you want it to be a surprise, and you want us as AfriOne Life to be able to help you manage that. You can come here, book your dining with us, and we'll find at least 3 locations for you to take that very particular lady to, or probably that very particular guy, because it's high time for also ladies to surprise your men. So you can see it tells you also enter preferred location. Do you want in Abuja, London, Canada, Australia? We can be able to help you do that. So I'm going back again to hospitality, and also you see it talks about event planning. Now if you see event planning, it gives you a drop down menu also for event planning. Indirectly, do you want to do corporate event? Is it wedding? Is it birthday? Is it community event? Or whatever that you want to do. So it can be able to help you in booking and managing. And this is the interesting thing about hospitality for us as AfriOne Life. Let me say this. This platform was literally created so that all of the other hustle, you don't have to focus on them, where you focus on the primary ones, and we help you take care of the secondary ones. For example, let's say you literally want to plan your birthday, or you want to surprise somebody's birthday, and you know if you leave your partner or your spouse, they will know that, okay, you're doing something. You can come on the birthday side and stuff. This is me clicking birthday, and you literally enter the date and everything that you want. Before you know what is going on, we get the information. We then call you at a preferred time, because it will ask you the preferred time you want us to call you. We'll call you, tell us everything, obviously make your payment, and we will do all of that. You and your spouse, literally, you are just having your stuff, and you just tell your spouse, let's just go to Silverbed Galleria to go watch a movie, and all of a sudden, blah, and your spouse is looking, when is all this planned, and how did you arrive at it? All you just need to do is just like the AfriOne Life, they make my life easy. Literally, that's literally who we are. So with that being said, let's just still go back about this. And so also you can be able to plan your event. Like I said, you can also be able to do tours and also to enjoy cultures. That is tours and culture. So which means on tours and culture, you want to experience wildlife safari, cultural heritage, you want to do city tours. For those of you who are afraid of going to South Africa, this is the time I want to encourage you, please visit South Africa. I'm saying it, I'm laughing. You know I'm laughing. I know some of you, there's this thing you guys like doing in Nigeria, like something to fiatwa, something like that. You do your hand like this, and next minute, I don't know if the hand goes back or it goes front, but there is somewhere I'm looking at Echo. Echo is saying that you roll your hand like this or something. Don't do like this for South Africa, please. I just God beg you. They are still part of African country, but you can book city tour to just understand South Africa. And at the same time, also you can go to beach and coastals. You can also be able to enjoy adventure. All of this, we can be able to help you make that happen. And also on hospitality, you can also be able to enjoy wellness. Those of you who literally want to, when you want to do this thing, this is your Buddha stuff, or you want to connect with the spirit, or maybe your ancestors are talking to you, you literally want to find them. We can find you a serene environment where you can just go sit down and just literally meditate. And funny, let me say this to the Christianese: just because you do this doesn't mean that you're a devil. You can literally just use that medium to calm your spirit down, and you communicate with the Holy Spirit, or whatever spirit that you subscribe to. So that is wellness. The one that is interesting, I like that one so much, is what we call the corporate services under hospitality. If I click that part, then obviously it will now start to ask you all of the questions that you're going to. Now my internet is busy doing this, but let's hope that the thing is going to pop open and so that I can show you what corporate services literally offers. So, but on corporate services, literally what you then get is the fact that it then helps you for us to get all of your stuff that you are doing. Yep, now it's open. So for corporate services and stuff, it literally is going to ask you for 10% of your total budget. Let's say you want to plan an award night. We have different team of people who will be able to do all of that for you. So I want to encourage you, please take out a time for you to register on the AfriOne Life. Get yourself into the system. Make sure that you enjoy it. And also, if you click our partners, you can find our partners. I don't want to click it now because it's there, but I don't just want you to see it. I don't want you to see that you don't go and call our partners behind the scene. But if you're an AfriOne subscriber, literally, you will be able to see the partners that we literally partner with and then do business with them. And so it's a wrap. I'm going to be clicking back the menu side so that it takes me back to the menu. As you can see, everything is seamless. For as long as you just have internet working on your phone, then you are good. I'll see you on the next production, which is going to be All Things Radio. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back just now.